Party tonight, roll up and free up. Summertime is we vibe.
Boy,
Calling all gal and gallus.
Bow! Sking! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now we're here with another reaction for you guys. Trinidad! Them for know so Trini Bumbuckle but they me say right now we have after them call Link Up Earth. You see me I say? The song is called Tone. You see me? Yeah. You see me? It's a new song. Just posted like 6 days ago. You don't know it's chopping and people reach out and say, yo, ropes, so they don't know. Business inquiries, email me, the mess of people. Or Instagram, I start replying to them things right now. They may say, but yeah, mess of them, I'm so going for the song. It's a music video. I want to start touch on the upcoming them. It's a music video and they may say, what's so going to run up on the like button. You see me? Tap the like button, then if you go support the artist after you watch a reaction boss video. Go support the artist. Go over the artist page after you done watch reaction boss reaction. You didn't say touch the link and go support them. I know say the reaction boss sending over this after and watch a bad reaction. Right? You know say reaction gonna lead. Well, you know say reaction gonna lead. So let's go tell you don't watch reaction boss video. The link will be in the comment section. The link will be in the description of the video. You didn't say so click the link, go over there for them comment section and say no reaction boss send me over here so now support me. You see me say support the reaction boss. Red tune.
Yo,
my guys in music video too. Big up on yourself. Alright.
Oh, Bumbuckle!
What the fuck? What you pause? What happened? What just happened? Oh, Bumbuckle!
Bullets! And I feeling that? So that song is dope, bro. Like,
The dude didn't even say nothing.
one time.
Red tune. Watch out.
Did you hear that? Bullets!
Bullet. Hold on.
And I feeling that?
One time.
So that song is dope, bro. Like, one time.
Red tune. That late.
Oh no.
What's like Will Smith thinks, sir? Earth tone.
Yo, ET, what you feel like?
Link up.
Running. Get it.
No smoke. Ooh. Girls.
I feel like holding a vibe.
Yeah.
Call all your friends.
Fire.
Them link up. Party tonight, roll up and free up. Summertime is we vibe.
Boy.
Calling all gal and gallus.
Bad
man movie gal.
I want to see the girls shine them outside from a look on them. But the songs are all in our vibes. It's a summertime song. It's a chill one too. You see, them want them sexy, but now we're gonna run back in that tune a little bit because we're not ramp. Go on.
Tonight, roll up and free up. Summertime is we vibe. Calling all gal and gallus.
Yeah.
Bad man movie gal, bad and bougie. But which gal is the baddest?
Yeah.
Oh, which gal is the baddest? So many eyes.
Yeah.
Which gal is the baddest? Can
Yes,
she
buddy.
take control? Which gal is the baddest? Could she be mine? Which gal is the baddest? She giving me such a vibe.
Yeah.
Whining
Like, I agree. Give me a vibe right now. No joke. Go on, wanna put the body, girl. Go on.
all alone. Bring that to me. You should be my own.
Yeah.
Link me up anytime.
Yeah.
Number or your IG.
Yeah.
Link up
Yeah,
my phone.
settings. Link him up anytime. Give him the number or your Instagram. Look, girl. You know about that. Go on. The video is a vibe.
Step in
It's
my
a vibe.
zone. Show me what I need. Which gal is he
Baddest, hey.
Which gal is he baddest? Can she take control?
Wow. She want wine punch you box and crash. What? What? Bring up that video.
Slow it down a minute. Don't rush it, take your time. Push it to the limit. Could you be mine?
Alright.
Slow
get some water first, man. Well on the pause. No, you're too bad. Them girls are too bad. Reaction is a vibe. Come here, you will have vibe. What will have vibe? Go back, will have vibe. Watch it.
Push it to the limit.
Yeah.
Could you be mine? Calling out, girl.
Kenya, girl.
So many eyes see. Link me up anytime. Which girl is
The baddest.
Can she take control? Summertime,
Hey, practice some karate move.
Slow it down a minute. Don't rush it, take your time.
Yeah. Charles, slow down body, man. Hey, why a girl wipe? Why a girl a wipe our man? They put a thing like this, dog. I look back, I don't do it. I'm not doing it. But if I tell look back at them and I long out them tongue and I look at the man back at them and whine and thing, I don't do it. No, I'm not doing it. But why when girl a wipe down there, something, they will go on. Yeah, youth. Up in a Sharon.
Take your time. Push it to the limit.
Yeah, yeah.
Could you be mine? I feel like holding a fight.
Hey. Alright, another one there. Hennessy, a sugar and water. No them dances, Jamaican dancing there. Fresh kicks. So you not go with that girl, like. You not go with that girl. Make me say if you really not go with that girl. Now what you do? I dream. Me rude. Me swear thing say you might get a pum knock you now. And Chone, go up on yourself. Shout out to everybody, they message people. See, I just watch reaction boss right now. What I want to do? I want to run, go over the artist page, to the link to the original song, click it, and go over there and see the reaction boss sending over. It says the message going to pre, it says the message support me, it says the message support me, it says the message so. Run go over there, so. Run go over there. But you know it's me sitting over there. Like up the video. You see me I say, comment on this video, comment on this video, post. Peace.